Yeah, maybe we could like test it.
Much better. Alright guys, all good on that one. We had an issue with it being just dirty. What we did was we went ahead and cleaned it out real good, especially those burner tubes. I think that stood it up because one of the burner tubes is completely clogged up. The one where the pilot was at. And yeah, I guess it was throwing the combustion off and it stood it up pretty bad. And usually you don't get gas furnaces or gas boilers to stood up real bad, but this one was. So make sure you take a look at those burner tubes. Make sure they're clear. And yeah, that could be the culprit of it all. That could have been the main line issue.
10 years ago, it's 127 billion now. Take a guess what it was under Bloom.
Him is running.
It definitely isn't. I can't believe how difficult these filters are to pull out. They go right in.
Again. Maybe.
Definitely not off on high 10 because it would just kept on.
Alright guys, we're gonna go ahead and replace this filter here.
I'm gonna shut it off. Sorry. Shut the door.
Alright guys, so what we got going on here is a customer just moved in here not too long ago, and they have this house that has mini splits, but never advertised. It never worked when they got here. The seller never said anything about these mini splits to them, but they have mini splits all through their house. So we're gonna open this up and see what we got going on and why they did not advertise for mini splits, that this home had mini splits when it has obviously many, I'll call it like 4 or 5 heads. Here we go.
Look at this.
Check the pressure side.
100. We're good there. But here's the thing, how did they have that wiring? Oh, okay. Oh man. See how they have. Oh, never mind. I got confused.
Line. Low.
Very good. Move one side.
I'm going with you. Or you want me to stay out here?
Okay.
And now we're doing an oil tune-up. Didn't have my camera right away, but went ahead and checked out this oil filter in here. Also got into these clean outs. Took my little small brush. And just kind of make sure those clean outs were nice and clear. Angel right now is doing over here the nozzle and strainer.
Doesn't look good at all. Alright.
And then we'll do a combustion test with an analyzer, check for smoke, check how it's burning, and all that type of stuff towards the end. When we fire everything back off.
I'm gonna have to bleed the eyes.